Hi guys, welcome to Anty Candy Foundation for Children in Need. I need you guys to please help us to help the children that is in need. You know, there's some children need clothes, food, they need shelter, shoes, etc. You know it. So I'm asking you to help me if you can. All those who can, I will appreciate and I will gladly accept it because I need to donate to all the kids that are in need. Children need to go back to school. Some of them don't even have a cent to start. Nothing. So I'm asking you guys to please, who can sponsor, who can donate, whatever you can. I am asking you kindly to please support the kids. My foundation name is Anty Candy Foundation for Children that is in need. Please help the children. They are the future, and I am looking forward for you guys to help me so I can help the kids. Thank you very much. Next thing, I want you guys to please go and subscribe to Candy Empress channel and Reality JA channels. You can subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. Bless upon yourself. You know, say Candy love you always. So please go over to Reality JA and Candy Empress channel and subscribe. You will see my foundation name and whatever and some of the kids on it. Please help them. Please do help the children. They are the future. Please, someone tell someone, and that one telling another person to support Anty Candy so I can help the kids. They are the future of the world. Thank you. God bless you. I love you. I'm out. Mwah.